Alright, we just arrived at the Somo Market here in Bacoor. Say hello, guys.
Hello guys, we're here at Somo Market.
Somo Market. And Pipa and Ate is going to be doing, what is it, the colorful challenge?
Challenge.
Color challenge. So you can go to her channel to watch that. Uh-oh. Looks like Fifi's already getting a balloon. You can get one later, people, so you don't have to carry it. Uh-oh, you getting a... How much is that?
100.
Okay.
Give her 100.
Alright. 100. Here you go, babe. She got a baby shark. You got baby shark?
Yeah.
Cool.
Give it to him.
Thank you. Thank you. This is more food over here, guys. Sunny. Somo. Hey, Fifi. We're gonna see what's going on over here at this food place. Sunny. We have like Innisol over there, looks like. We came here, I think the last time we were here was 2 or 3 years ago, and it's gotten a little bigger since then.
Yes, sir. Six balls, extra long. This is cool.
This place looks good. Tory Bites. Look at this. Cool. Mix and match. This is their menu, guys. Hi, Fifi. Mommy got some drinks. Mommy got some drinks here. Hi, baby. What you got there? It looks like
Gulaman and
that looks delicious. You wanna sit down? Okay, Daddy's gonna pick up the food. Alright, so we have the chicken and potato. See that? So basically it's like chicken nuggets with French fries. Alright, we're gonna let Mommy taste it real quick. Is it good? It's hot, huh? Looks good. Let me see. See, that's how it looks, guys. Oh, you want some chicken? You want some French fries? Okay. I ordered this from this Tequila Prospero, a Spanish Mexican place. This is the burrito bowl. See it? Burrito bowl. Looks pretty good. And we have the birria tacos. These are like the beef tacos here. Just so you can see how the actual beef taco looks. Ooh, it's so hot too. Let me see if I can turn it over. Wow. So that's the beef taco there. Two beef tacos each.
Ew.
Hey, you take a bite of that beef taco? Good, huh?
Yeah.
So the beef taco, you get 2 tacos and it was like $6, and then the burrito bowl was like $3. Wow, guys, I have to say that I am so surprised that this food is delicious. Like, very good, especially for the price point. The beef burrito bowl was like $3, and then the beef burritos were a little pricey, $6, but you get 2 of them. But I can't believe it. It's actually really good. I can't believe it. Oh, look. So people got something from the Fresh Deli. Are you having fun making your vlog?
I do it good.
Are you finished, or you still have some other things to do?
Yeah, I still have other things to do.
Okay, say hi.
Dadas.
It turns out into red.
There's Michelle. She got what is that? A watermelon drink?
No, it's strawberry. It's color pink there, but it turns out into red.
Oh, okay.
So it's watermelon, it's red there, and it turns out into pink.
So hers supposed to be red, but hers turned out pink. Hers supposed to be pink, but it turned out red.
So this is my bag. Wow!
All right, so they're still working on their vlog there.
We're still working on other jobs.
We need food.
Okay.
I see their pink noodles.
Pink noodles? Oh, yeah. That'll be something. You guys have enough money?
Yeah, we have
That's your
to-
budget.
Yeah. Can we?
Yeah.
Galing.
Let's go find food.
Find more stuff. You can just leave your other stuff here. We'll be here waiting for you.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Right.
Okay. Fifi got an airplane. Show me your airplane. See the cat? So Fifi got an airplane. You have to learn how to throw it. Huh? Ate went to get some more food. Okay. Yep. Did you guys get some?
My noodles is consumed already.
It's already finished. And you got hot dog pipa?
Yeah.
Is it good? Go sit down. Let's see what mommy got. Mommy got some stuff here. What'd you get? No. Fifi got a spoon. And mommy got a...
That's for that.
Fifi, maybe Fifi wants some of that. That's watermelon.
Also, maybe.
I know so many bugs. Show me what you got. Oh, you got some Nike socks.
And then I got you.
You got me something? Whoa! They have Patagonia here? Wow, look at that, guys. I got a new Patagonia hat. Thank you, baby. Thank you for thinking about me, baby. Is Fifi tired? Fifi tired? My hat, guys. We got Fifi some pens, and you bought that coloring book, that drawing?
Let's pay for that.
Okay. Cool. So we're just waiting on Michelle and Pipa. We're just relaxing here. Are you done?
Yeah, this is my Japanese
This is
toy.
this is 350. We got it 250.
Oh, you bargained it.
Yeah, you know, a Filipino must be a good.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Are you done? Okay.
Yeah, we're done.
All right. They're done. So we go home now.